Hey, welcome back to Anxiety Kitchen, the show where I try to make something way out of my skill set and sometimes fail. Just saying. This week we're making jalebi. I've seen it, never had it. This is our first fermented food. I did that last night because it has to ferment, so I let it ferment for about 24 hours. So on the stove, currently I have some sugar and water. I'm supposed to heat it until it produces one string. Then I get to add cardamom and something I've never worked with, saffron. Doesn't really smell like anything. They sold it behind the counter with the condoms. Yes, equally stolen. I need a whole whopping 5 strands of that. I'm going to let this sugar syrup come together, and then we're going to add the cardamom and the saffron and let that cool off and sit, and then I'm gonna start frying stuff. Yay! Also, welcome to a different view of my kitchen. That's where we keep the produce. It's my fridge with a Jedi Betty White. All important things. I think we're finally getting close. Directions unclear. I made this. All right, take 2. Oh no, that needs to be bigger. Oh no, nothing like some good old trial and error. Mostly error. I need more hands. They're supposed to be like little concentric circles. Mine are scribbles. Oh no. My thingy got blocked. Oh Jesus. I'm making a mess. Why you clog? I can make a mess like nobody's business. I mean, aside from not being the correct shape and being little scribbles, they somewhat look right. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That one got away from me. That was fun. I definitely think that Jalebi. I think it's a hard Jalebi. I think it's definitely like a much easier as like a 2-person job. Overall, I think they came out. They're not the right shape. They don't really smell like, I mean, they smell like cardamom and sweet. Oh, I don't dislike that at all. That's fun. They're crunchy, but like liquidy, syrupy. I'll have to make my wife try these. I didn't know that the single thread sugar water syrup meant putting it on your fingers. Yeah. So I broke it. You wanna try this? That's weird, right? It's like crunchy but wet.
I think it's just because of the oil, right?
What, that it's crunchy?
No, it's wet. It was wet because of the stuff.
No, it's in syrup.
What is it?
Batter.
Okay. Fermented batter.
Mm-hmm. Syrup.
Mm-hmm.
Which is sugar, water, cardamom, and saffron.
It's cardamom. That's what I taste.
What is it? Do you like it?
Yeah.
Are you just saying that because I'm filming?
No, it reminds me of that other cardamom thing.
The donuts?
Yeah. But wet.
Those donuts were bomb. Next week, Let's hope that we're not making another dessert because I would like to try something different. I mean, they're all different. I would like to try not dessert. Okay. Beep, beep, beep. Beep. I don't know what this is. Morocco. Cefa medfauna. Cefa medfauna. I have no idea. I was a little cocky. I thought it was gonna be, short and sweet. I thought it was gonna be easy, and it was not. I fucked up. Hey, do you have your phone on you?
Yeah.
Can you Google something? Can you Google this?
Moroccan.
Mm-hmm.
It's dinner.
Yay!
Vermicelli with saffron chicken.
Hey, I have saffron.
Yeah.
Oh, it's like I planned it. Stay safe, stay sane, and I'll see you next Tuesday. Huh?
I had to grab a fork. I shoved my finger right in between the blades of the peeler.
That's terrible.
Yeah. I'm like, there's no way out of this one.